Here's an unboxing I'm pretty excited for. So the M18 276722 is the Gen 2 of their pretty much balls to the walls cordless impact for vehicles. A lot of people use this one on semis because of the 1400 foot-pound torque, nut-busting torque. And if anyone else has seen videos of this in action on YouTube, it literally breaks nuts. So let's get it out of the box. So this comes with 2 batteries and a charger, and actually pretty nice hard case also. Padlock there. So right when you open it, some advertising, owner's manual, the charger that does the 12 and the 18. It looks like this one. Dual LED lights in the rear, big area for ventilation. And it comes with 2 of the M18 REDLITHIUM XC 5.0 batteries. Got a nice rubber grip on them. Battery indicator up front. Simple LED. More advertising. And then the other battery already installed in the gun. Along with everything else, that's your LED indicator, help you out, see where you're going. Awesome rubberized, a lot heavier than the DeWalt I have. Back and forth triggers. And then down here, so I can get a better picture on that. You have your gear switcher that also turns on the LED. 1, 2, 3, and then the highest torque setting. One, 2, 3, 4.